Hey guys, I'm Jennifer and welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're going to be making my delicious keto brownies. They're super easy to make and they only use common ingredients from just a regular grocery store like Walmart. And they're easy to make and then package up into individual servings and freeze in the freezer if you can wait or if you can save them, that is. But you can find the full recipe in the description below, and if you want to print the recipe, you can find the link to the recipe down below. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do for our super delicious keto brownies is we've got some sweetener here. Now this sweetener is Lakanto, and it is, I think you can maybe buy it at Whole Foods. You could also use Swerve, and you can find that at Walmart. But you can find all of these ingredients on Amazon too. So I've got some melted butter here. And then we are going to crack in these eggs. And we are going to use this hand mixer to beat this until our eggs and the mixture becomes like a pale yellow color. That looks delicious. So now we've got some baker's chocolate here that I melted in the microwave. This is 85 grams of baker's chocolate, and this is found on the baking aisle. It's unsweetened. It just gives a really rich chocolate flavor without adding sugar. We're also going to add some cocoa powder, and so this is going to be super chocolatey. I'm also going to add in the vanilla. So I'm going to stir this in with my spatula. And this recipe uses coconut flour, and it only uses 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. And that is because coconut flour is super absorbent. And now I'm adding in some cocoa powder. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the coconut flour and salt and baking powder. So we're gonna get this all combined. And you could stir in some chocolate chips if you have some Lily's chocolate chips. That would be extra chocolatey. But I'm going to actually stir in some walnuts just for a little bit of texture. Makes the brownies just so much better. So you can see that that has gotten thick just because of adding in that little bit of coconut flour. Now, if you wanted to use almond flour, you could definitely do that. Just don't add the coconut flour. And you would want to add enough. I would start with 4 tablespoons. And you want it to add enough until it's this consistency. So we got our walnuts in there. So now we have our prepared baking dish here. I just sprayed it with cooking spray. And I'm going to put this in here. Make it all one layer. Scrape off my spatula. Okay, this is going to bake in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Okay, our brownies are out of the oven. They are absolutely perfect. They took 30 minutes. So let's cut some. Got a nice crackly top. Ooh, look at that. That looks so good. Let me get a little, I gotta get a little edge piece. Mmm. Those are so good with the walnuts. I love the crunch of the walnuts. Delicious. So guys, I hope you like this recipe. You can find the full recipe in the description below, or you can click the link if you want to print the recipe. Let me know how much you love it in the comments, and I will see you guys later. Bye.